I'm Reverend Sue Pratten, the Vicar of St Cadog's, Caerllion. Come with me and you can have a little peek into the church during this refurbishment. It's quite something, so follow me. As you come into the church through the west doors, there will be a glass vestibule here, and then you can see that as you move into this area, you'll be met with a toilet to your left and a kitchen area. As you can see in the nave, the scaffolding is up so that the audio-visual and the lighting is being put in place. That will make a huge difference to the church. It is quite gloomy in here at the moment, so that LED lighting will actually make this space so much brighter. And as you can see, in time, without the scaffolding, the amazing space that has been created will be there. As you can see, we're in the south porch area of the church, and behind me is a font. If you look at the floor, you can see the repurposed tiles that used to be on the aisles. What we wanted to do is make sure that the rich heritage of the church was not lost. The church has got beautiful stained glass windows, a showpiece of the church, and we want to make sure that all of that is actually highlighted. This is a massive project. The changes are wide scale, and one thing that we want to do is to make sure that this church is net zero. So part of the change is to put in underfloor heating with air source heat pumps. The floor is going to be stone, and a significant change that we're going to put in is a labyrinth for the spiritual dimension. It has made such a huge difference already and will make a difference for the future of this church and for the community in Caerllion. And I would encourage all individuals, if you have a vision, go for it.